Starting around 15 July 2023, Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at $0.072 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67%. In very most recent 60 minutes, in opposition to prevalent thinking, Doge especially has a very complete market cap of $10,142,667,832, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $880,356,299, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge kind of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin for the most part be truly worth in 2023 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Dogecoin a by and large wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Will Doge cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high? These basically are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a sort of enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost essentially is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.078, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to explicitly be $0.075, or so they sort of thought. Besides, Doge can sort of arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.088 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Dogecoin basically is for the most part anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.068, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.070 and a by and large least of $0.061, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Doge value figure August 2023. The Dogecoin estimate for August 2023 expects that the Doge may truly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $0.073 with a kind of least cost of around $0.067 in an exceptionally significant manner. Discussing the typical value, Doge can truly stretch around $0.070 for August, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value gauge September 2023. The extremely normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could go to $0.072 toward the finish of September 2023. Or so they certainly thought. Doge could generally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.077, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.069, showing how these really are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge value estimate October 2023. The Dogecoin, Doge cost for October 2023 may arrive at an extremely least worth of $0.071, while the exceptionally greatest determined cost truly is around $0.080. The typical cost for Doge is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach $0.073 in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. Dogecoin cost by and large is supposed to, in a real sense, reach between $0.073 to $0.084 in November 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Doge for the November truly remains around $0.076. Dogecoin value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the all things considered greatest cost for Dogecoin could sort of stretch around $0.088, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in December 2023 generally is $0.075 with a typical cost of $0.078, which certainly is very huge. Dogecoin past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost in a real sense has shown a kind of good increment of 6.14% as of now, or so they sort of thought. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Doge in every way that really matters was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.84%, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Dogecoin sort of has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and contribute, or so they truly thought. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge in a real sense diminished by 23.800%, wiping out an astounding really normal amount of $0.023 from its kind of current worth, which is genuinely huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a sort of good purchase, a valuable open door for truly fast speculation, or so they essentially thought. The 90 days cost change is near 16.23%, and the value sort of coursed from a truly least essentially normal cost of $0.085 to for the most part greatest normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days in a significant way. In most recent 4 months, Dogecoin sort of has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Hence, we fundamentally feel that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period, or so they in every practical sense thought. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that this explicitly makes Dogecoin, Doge kind of positioning at 9 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, showing how Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to reach between $0.073 to $0.084 in November 2023, while the especially normal cost of Doge for the November explicitly remains around $0.076. Dogecoin value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Dogecoin could in a real sense stretch around $0.088 in an all things considered huge way. The coin sort of is up by 1.20%, with the greatest kind of typical cost of the coin in a real sense was around $0.076, and the genuinely least especially normal cost of certainly was around $0.073 in sort of beyond 4 months, which generally shows that Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost most certainly is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of $0.078, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to sort of be $0.075. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking, Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts what will for the most part be Dogecoin truly worth in 2023, which by and large is very critical. The Doge cost in a real sense is gauged to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.088, with especially least cost of $0.075 toward the finish of 2023. Or so they sort of thought. Does Dogecoin sort of have a future? Which really is very critical. As far as value, Dogecoin basically has an exceptional genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. It in a real